Hey there, I'm Trey, and today I'm teaming up with Rit to show you how to use that color remover. Rit Color Remover gives fabric a fresh start for dyeing or reverse tie dyeing and removing stains or yellows from whites. It's chlorine free, so it won't damage your fabric. Keep in mind, it won't remove patterns, prints, or indigo from jeans. Let's dive into removing the color from these shirts. Work in a well-ventilated area. Gather a Rit Color Remover, a pot, stovetop, and tongs. Ensure your fabric is pre-washed and damp. Fill the pot with water and heat just below boiling, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Add color remover, stir it until dissolved, and keep at a low simmer. Bring out your damp fabric, add it to the pot, and stir for 10 to 20 minutes. Once the fabric turns white or off-white, remove and rinse with warm water, then cool water until clear. If you're looking for additional color removal, we suggest repeating the process with another packet of color remover. Wash in warm water with mild detergent. Now you have a blank canvas, ready to dye. For tips and tricks for dyeing your fabric now that you remove the color, check out our other tutorials at ritdye.com.